Bonjour. We just arrived here in Paris. This is our hotel in Hyatt Regency, number 2510. We are on the 25th floor, and this is the how it looks like inside the room. That's the bathroom or the toilet. They call it toilet here. There. So here the room are smaller compared to the US. So right there, this is our king size bed, and this is the design. And the small TV compared to the TV that we have in London, which is 70 inches, and this one is just 45. But it doesn't matter, we don't watch too much TV. Anyway, that's our background. Zoom in. So the Eiffel Tower is the background of our room. This is beautiful. Kat, can you see something here? How's Paris, your impression? Impression? Nice? How about the street?
We'll see, we just got here.
But so bonjour. So we just got here like 5 minutes ago. We just had to settle down, and again, that's our beautiful background. Finally, I see the Eiffel Tower. Woo! It's only my dream before, and now the iconic. I already see it, and it's a view of our room here. We are in the 25th floor, 2510. So look at that. This still the Olympic design. See that? The Olympic. You can zoom it. Yeah, Olympic right there. We take the taxi. We take the taxi from the train station Gare du Nord or Gare du Nord. So it takes 25 minutes. And the taxi charge us $21.80.
21 euro.
Oh no, excuse me, $21 and how much?
21.50 euro.
Yeah, 21.50 euro. But since it's busy, the guy just dropped off on the street, which is fine. It's just like what 100 feet away from the main entrance, and I'm okay. So again, welcome to Paris, our first day here, and please continue subscribe. We have to continue more videos in the next 4 days. Thank you.
Hyatt Regency Paris ETOILE Bar/Lounge. The hotel's lounge is a standout feature. Located on a 34th floor, the lounge offers panoramic views of Paris, including iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower. Guests have praised the lounge for its excellent breakfast offerings and evening snacks, accompanied by a selection of beverages. The combination of stunning vistas and quality refreshments makes the lounge a favorite spot for many visitors. Overall, both the lobby and the lounge at the Hyatt Regency Paris ETOILE enhance the guest experience by providing stylish and comfortable spaces to unwind and enjoy the beauty of Paris.